Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive khadi collections only for you with great discount offer price. So let me display. This one also very beautiful, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, off-white base with fine hand weaving butta design, contrast color border, and very elegant look, soft, comfortable, premium quality. This one full base part, and this one is border portions, contrast color border, and full base part is premium quality, pure handloom, soft khadi cotton with weaving butta design, and fully hand weaving butta. And this one is pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color, threaded fine weaving design, jamdani work stripes pattern, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu. Very smart, elegant looks, soft, comfortable, obviously summer friendly. This one is full base part, very trendy, bright and elegant looks of white base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks and elegant also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding traditional trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, gray gray shade, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, very exclusive, outstanding looks and fine weaving design, smart and traditional weaving. This one full base part, elegant look. This one is full base part, gray shade, premium quality, export quality khadi cotton, soft, comfortable. And this one border portions, 1 inch highlighted fine weaving design border, fully hand weaving work, and full base part is fish motif, hand weaving fish motif, small butta, and full base part is soft, comfortable, summer friendly, elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and full base part is beautiful butta. And this one pallu portions, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design work pallu. This portion is pallu, fully threaded weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one is beautiful weaving butta design, very traditional, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart and elegant looks. And this one also sorry, this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, contrast piping with beautiful weaving butta design, full base sky blue shade. And this one is contrast color piping, and full base part is hand weaving butta design. This hand weaving butta, very smart, trendy, bright looks and soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, contrast color with threaded hand weaving jamdani work, heavy worked pallu. And this one is base part, very soft, summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart looks. Also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, and contrast border, and full contrast border, and full border portions, fully gicha weaving stripes design, ikat border, very elegant looks, off white base. And this one border portions, contrast color ikat border with highlighted gicha weaving fine stripes work, very nice one, trendy looks, fully hand weaving work gicha by gicha. And this one is full base part, off white base, ikat border, contrast, and premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color with gicha weaving fine stripes pattern pallu, and very soft, comfortable, elegant, bright, trendy looks, contrast border, ikat border, gicha weaving stripes, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart, trendy looks. And this one also very nice one, premium quality pure handloom cotton base with weaving border design, very smart one, very soft comfortable cotton base and without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, very comfortable looks and elegant color combinations, and full border portions, fine hand weaving design work. And this one is full base part, pure cotton fabric. And this one pallu portions, beautiful one, fine stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is full base, very comfortable one, soft, comfortable and premium quality cotton fabric. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful color combinations, very elegant look, same material, pure handloom khadi cotton base and soft comfortable fine quality and contrast color weaving border design. This one full base part, very nice one, and contrast color border with fine weaving design. And this one full base part, soft one, soft cotton fabric. And this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very smart looks with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very nice one, without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is full base and this one is highlighted border, very smart elegant trendy looks, fine quality. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. A very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with fine weaving design, full base part is stripes pattern work, fully stitching stripes design, katha stitch pattern. This one full base part, very nice one, bright color combinations, blue shade contrast border, and full base part is beautiful stitching stripes with hand weaving buta design, very smart elegant looks. These are stitching stripes pattern with beautiful hand weaving buta design, very smart trendy looks. This one is full base part, soft comfortable summer friendly. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one and full base part is same stripes design. And this one pallu portions, highlighted fine hand weaving design work pallu and fully hand weaving work, very bright beautiful elegant looks, contrast color border, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart bright looks. These are also very beautiful elegant one and heavy work and very smart traditional and smart weaving design, contrast color border, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, soft comfortable summer friendly. These are beautiful fine smart weaving design, lahariya pattern weaving design, and base part is premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving design, lahariya pattern weaving design, fully hand weaving work. And this one pallu portions, heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu, soft comfortable contrast color threaded weaving design, heavy work, very nice one, elegant bright gorgeous looks and smart also. This one is full base part, contrast border. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart and elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, gray shade, blackish gray shade, contrast border, same material same pattern, today I have dipped only different color. And this one is full base part, blackish gray shade, and full base part is beautiful stitching stripes with highlighted contrast color weaving buta design. This portion is beautiful fine weaving buta, and full base part is contrast color fine weaving design, katha stitch pattern weaving design stripes work. And and this one is border portions contrast color with beautiful fine hand weaving design border, and this one is full base part blackish gray shade, and this one is full piece, and this one running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions. Very beautiful bright looks, fully fine weaving design pallu, very smart hand weaving work and beautiful color combinations, also premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with accessory for your trendy smart elegant looks. Also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base blue shade, and very nice one, soft comfortable summer friendly obviously, and this one full base part fine weaving butta design full base, and this one is border portions contrast color red shaded border, and this one is blue base with beautiful fine hand weaving butta design, very smart trendy looks and soft comfortable summer friendly premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful weaving design highlighted stripes with butta work and fully hand weaving design, very smart elegant looks, soft comfortable summer friendly also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart elegant looks, very elegant one. This one also in a very beautiful one, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, and contrast golden zari piping and full base part is hand weaving butta design and very soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is full base part and very elegant looks also. This one is full base part premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, soft one, soft comfortable and beautiful fine weaving butta design, fully hand weaving butta, very smart elegant looks and soft comfortable, very soft one summer friendly. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pallu, very beautiful one golden zari patch with beautiful pom pom design, very smart elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base fine khadi cotton with beautiful weaving butta design, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base contrast color golden zari piping and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very elegant and smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and elegant smart looks. Very beautiful and elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton lehriya pattern weaving design, smart and elegant looks, contrast red border and off-white base, and premium quality pure handloom pure khadi base with beautiful fine weaving design work. This one full base part beautiful fine lehriya pattern weaving design and contrast color border, and this one pallu portions highlighted fine heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft comfortable summer friendly, very traditional trendy looks and very soft comfortable one. And this one full base part beautiful fine hand weaving lehriya pattern weaving design, and this one is contrast color border, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one and bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base bright yellow shade and contrast border and full border portions fine weaving stripes design. This one full base part, and this one is border portions fully fine weaving design stripes pattern work border, and full base part is fully hand weaving fine butta work, very smart trendy looks and soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one heavy worked stitching stripes pattern work, stitching stripes with butta pattern highlighted work pallu, and very soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is border contrast color highlighted stripes work border portions, and this one is full base part, very smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy smart looks. And this one also, very bright one, beautiful looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base and fine khadi cotton base, contrast golden zari piping and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design with a smart bright looks. This one, border portions contrast golden zari piping, and this one, full base part bright maroon shade with orange threaded weaving design jamdani butta, and this one is pallu portions beautiful golden zari patch with pom-pom design with smart and elegant looks. This one is full base part fine khadi cotton base, soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is full base part very elegant bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright gorgeous looks. And this one also, very bright one, bright color combinations, magenta pink shade khadi cotton base, contrast border and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very smart trendy looks. This one, full base part beautiful fine weaving butta design, and this one is contrast color border orange shade, and this one is pallu part highlighted weaving design stripes with butta pattern, heavy worked pallu and fully hand weaving design. And this one, full base part bright beautiful elegant looks, magenta pink shade, contrast orange border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks with work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. So, very elegant one, beautiful looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, very export quality khadi cotton base with beautiful jamdani work, traditional jamdani work, very nice one. This one, border portions fine peacock motif weaving design, fully hand weaving work, jamdani design border, and full base part is peacock motif fine contrast color threaded weaving design butta work, very trendy and elegant looks. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari weaving stripes with contrast color threaded weaving butta design, and very soft comfortable summer friendly, very elegant and smart traditional looks. This one, full base part, this one is heavy worked golden zari, heavy worked border, fully soft comfortable one. This one is fully hand weaving design border, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful weaving designs, traditional weaving design, very smart one. And this one is running blouse piece, stripes contrast color with stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional looks. And today I have taken a beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton base, and white is grey shade, grey is white shade, and this one is border portions contrast color border, and fine weaving, fully hand weaving, contrast color threaded weaving design, highlighted lines and weaving lines, and full base part is contrast color katha stitch pattern stripes work with butta design, very smart trendy and traditional looks. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully contrast color threaded weaving design, hand weaving design butta with stripes work, very highlighted one, and premium quality khadi cotton base, soft comfortable summer friendly, obviously very beautiful one. And beautiful earrings also. If you want same saree with same earrings, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.